Now, let's wash these fresh vegetables. A little more water to get them nice and clean. Perfect! Time to chop these veggies into tiny pieces. Look at them, all chopped up. The oil is heating up nicely. Now I'll give it a stir. Alright, time to fry some pakoras. In they go. Hear that sizzle? Perfect! Time to grind these fresh mint leaves. Into the pot they go. Now we stir and blend. Welcome, fresh chutney pakoras. Hot and delicious. Ta-da! Look at this wonderful dish. I made it with lots of love. Hope you enjoy it. These pakoras smell amazing. They're fresh and hot, perfect for a chutney dip. Time to drop this crispy treat in the soup. Perfect. Now for a taste. Welcome to my kitchen. I made these just for you. They're fresh and hot. Please have a taste.